boys and girls. Today we're going to be talking about our 10 friends, and this is our new adding strategy that we're going to be using for this week. So by the end of the week, you should be able to tell me all of the two numbers that equal 10, and we call those 10 friends. So today we're going to start by looking at this rainbow to help us make the friends of 10. So we're going to first take our crayon and color the rainbow to match each side. So take your red crayon and we're going to color it so when I match up one side, the other side is the 10 friend. So if I take my red crayon and color the top rainbow, I have 0 and 10. So whenever you see 0 and 10 together, you know that they are going to be 10 friends. So next, take your orange crayon and color the next part of the rainbow. Color it orange. And see, I match up this side. Now I know that 1 and 9 are 10 friends. So anytime I see a 1 and a 9 added together, I know that the answer is 10. I don't have to count or do any of those things because it equals 9. It equals 10 every time. Now let's take our yellow crayon. If I match up 2 and 8, anytime you see a 2 and an 8 together, you know that the answer is going to be 10. Let's do green next. This one's going to be 3 and 7. So when I see 3 and 7, I don't have to use my number line or count on or anything. I just know automatically that the answer is 10. Let's use blue. And we're going to connect 4 and 6. So 4 and 6 will always equal 10. And our last color is going to be purple. And this 5 and 5 are also doubles. So there's two strategies for 5 and 5. It's doubles and it's 10 friends. So now we're going to go through and write all of the partners of 10. So look at the first one. 0 plus what is 10? Well, if I look here at 0, it matches with 10. So that answer is 10. What does 1 match with? 9. Very good. What does 2 match with? It matches with 8. What is 3's 10 friend? It's 7. What is 4's 10 friend? 6. And what is 5's 10 friend? 5. So now we're going the other way. 6's 10 friend is what? It's 4. What is 7's 10 friend? 3. What is 8's 10 friend? 2. 9's 10 friend is 1. And 10's 10 friend is what? It's 0. Very good. So if you know your 10 friends, if you have them memorized, look at all of the different problems you would be able to solve without having to use any other strategy, just knowing that they are 10 friends. Okay, so let's go to the back. On the back side, we have more 10 friends. So we have 0 and 10 is our first one. So let's make two problems with 0 and 10. 0 and 10, and then we flip it and we put 10 and 0. Okay, so on the next one, the two numbers we have are 3 and 7. So how would we make our first problem? 3 plus 7 And then if we flip it, what would we have? 7 and 3. Good. So now on our next one, we have 4 plus 6. And then we flip it, and it's 6 plus 4. The next one is 5 and 5. And we can flip it, but it's just still the same as 5 and 5 because that's doubles and 10 friends. Why don't you try 1 and 9? See if you can make it. What would be the first problem? Yeah, 1 plus 9. And then how would I turn that around? 9 plus 1. Good. And our last one, what would be the first problem? 2 plus 8. And then if I flip it around, it becomes what? 8 plus 2. All right, nice job today, boys and girls.